Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the session on VMware vSphere 6.7 install config manage. Let me introduce myself. It's me Bhaskar Manoharan. I hold 11 plus years of experience into IT. I started my career in the year 2009. Okay, and I started as an hardware engineer, followed by desktop support, system administrator, service delivery consultant, IT infrastructure lead, technical training specialist, knowledge champion, and so on. And I'm currently serving as a technical training manager in a private firm. Okay, and I have trained by now it's 11,000 plus professionals globally on virtualization and cloud platforms. My previous organization is VMware. I was a full-time employee. I worked close to 2.5 years, and I was delivering all over the world. I mean, I was taking care of corporate trainings, new joiners trainings, and so on. And recently, past 2 years, I'm working with Atos India Private Limited. Okay, I can show you my LinkedIn page in case if you get a time. Please send a LinkedIn request. We'll connect it professionally. This is my LinkedIn page. You'll find my name, my full name, Bhaskar Manoharan. So you can connect to me. Okay. Right. So you can start with your self introduction. So we have a chat group created. I mean, this is Microsoft Notes. This meeting notes would be shared to all of you over in this bridge. This notes would be there throughout the training, during the training, after the training. And also there is a chat section is enabled where you can ping to me. And also there is a voice and video. So people who are in this room, they don't need to enable voice and video. I mean, they are seeing me live and hearing me live. And Mahamuni, you have to enable video and voice if in case if you want to ask anything, right? And here I have finished my self introduction. And as a student, you can start your self introduction. And also, I want expectation from you. Okay, what do you expect from this training? Okay, I want to keep everything online. See, the recording should be online, and the video should be online, and notes should be online, everything online. You will get all accesses. So let's start from you, sir. Introduce.
So myself, Lohit Kumar.
Raise your voice. It should be audible to him also. He is in a loudspeaker now. Yeah.
So myself, Lohit Kumar.
Lohit, yes.
Yeah, graduated in history and mechanical engineering.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and I was working from past 3 years in automobile field.
Okay.
Okay, and now I want to shift to the software field.
Expectation. Okay. You want to shift to we call it as support, IT support. Okay. For Lohit is following up with me more than I think it's how many months now?
6 months.
By now it's 6 months for a VMware session, and Lohit is following up with me continuously, and I didn't have a time. Moreover, Corona was in place. Okay, we didn't move out, and later we made ourselves comfortable, and also Subhash is going to introduce, like he is also was like keen on to start a weekday session. We never delivered a weekday session. Okay, so due to the we all need in some point, so we just get started. That's all. So now move on to the second person. Yes, sir.
Myself Nandan Kumar.
Nandan, yes.
So I have done my engineering in electronics and communication. So I was working in a Wipro as a data center engineer. Now, currently I'm not working. So it was a non-technical job. So that's why I left that. So my expectation is I want to be a technical guy. So that's why I came here to learn about VMware.
What do you want? What do you expect from this time? Technical, everything is technical. Data center also a technical work only. What do you want from this training? Tell me.
Like I want to know about a VMware in depth. So I didn't know anything technically. What I'm telling is I was just a hardware engineer. So like for IT, I need a software something. So for that purpose, I came here to learn about VMware.
Okay, no problem. That's what we'll do now. You will learn VMware for sure. Thanks for joining. And then moving on, Subhash.
Hi, this is Subhash. I'm a Linux administrator. I was working with the Visteon company. 3 months back, I was actually left that company to upgrade the skills, especially in the AWS and VMware. So what I'm expecting from the VMware, so that I can have a good knowledge. I don't want any completely core knowledge because that is not my field. But I want a core knowledge. I want just want enhance the knowledge in the VMware so that I can have image related things you can how you do the snapshots and take the image backup.
Definitely.
All those things will help me definitely in the field of AWS serverless because already I have in one of my friends circle we are actually doing with ourselves.
Okay.
And this will definitely enhance some other field, probably in the Oracle database also. That's what actually I do separately.
Okay.
So my core field is actually Linux. These are the like add-ons.
Okay, agreed. Thanks for joining, Subhash. And moving on to Mahamuni.
Hi, Bhaskar. I'm Shivanand. I have 9 years experience in the Windows Server administrator.
Okay.
And I'm currently working in VMware also, like installation, VM creation, this kind of things I'm working. And I'm really looking to get a more knowledge on the VMware. And nowadays, everything is moving into the cloud structure. So I want more knowledge on this one, and I need to make myself easier in a cloud environment.
Agreed. Sure, Shivanand, whatever the knowledge basics you have, this session will give you an associate or professional level experience. Don't worry. That's what I'm assuring you today. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Yeah. So let me proceed now. You can keep yourself on mute, Shivanand. Keep yourself on mute. Yeah. So now let's introduce about this organization, like what we do. Cloud4Green.com, it's there like in the market, like by now it's, I think this is the 7th year. I started this organization, this is 7th year. Can see this. This is the date I have registered, 2013 January 24th. Okay, and you can see my name. Okay. Okay, they have for security reasons they have removed my name, but usually they will provide my email address only, like which ID I have registered and other informations. Okay, so this is 7 years old organization, and in this building I'm running since 2+ years. Earlier I was doing it as an it was just an online session, and registered and available location is this. Then we have a Google page. I usually don't do, since you asked, so I was just briefing all this. So we are located in Hebbal. This is my house address. And this is our Google business page. In case if you are not aware. Right. So now let's move on to the notes. Right. Similarly, me as a trainer, I do have some expectation. Let's mention it as trainer expectation. The first thing is I want 100% attendance from you. Even though the session is recorded, very rare case you see a missing, you will be missing a session, but most of the time I want you to be available either in person or remotely. In case you could not able to make it in person, you can join remotely for sure. I need 100% attendance. 2, every student will get recorded videos. 3, you will get PDF VMware 6.7 book, right? 4, you will be added to alumni group. We have alumni group, people who's in desperate need of a job, they can post their resumes there, and I usually get requirements. I'll get a mail like we need a VMware engineer, I can refer also. 5, please maintain a notes. Highly recommended you maintain a note either in the form of physical book or soft copy. Any form would be fine. Okay, I usually keep a physical book. I'll draw things because this training is 70% practicals. Most of the thing I may want you to practice it and then write it down on a book, and there are few diagrams which I want you to keep it in the soft form, or I will give it in the soft form, but I want you to write. Better to keep a physical book so that you can keep everything there and you can refer any number of times, and I'm giving all other supported things to you. Okay, and then yeah, a resume preparation. I'll help you in resume preparation. Post this training, you can sit next to me and you can ask me like how you can update your resume. That I'll assist you. Additionally, I'll give some interview questions part of the session. Okay, with answers. I have created interview questions. There are answers, are just a question which you need to work on answers. And weekends like Saturday, Sunday, I will give some assignments. Okay, and also there is a checklist I have shared. You will have a test that is next Monday. What is the date? 29, 28. So 28th September you have a unit test. The test for 25 marks and duration is 30 minutes. I'll give you 25 marks test, and this is just like a knowledge check where we are, how we are progressing, are we up to the mark, just to keep track of things which we are doing it. Okay, so I want to keep everything in a professional way. I'll keep my things in a professional. I expect the same things from your end. Okay, we want to keep everything standard and we want to keep everything in a professional way, right? Course modules is already shared to you. Okay, as you can see, course module is officially designed for 40 hours. How many hours? 40 hours. There are some extra things which may not needed, or it is too advanced for you to understand. Those things will be eliminated. Things which you won't understand, which involves extreme understanding, those will be, like I would say that 5 to 10% of the official module we would be eliminating, because they required some prerequisites, or they required some infra to perform that. Okay, so remaining 90% you will have a access. So hope you have all received a course module, right? Correct? Yeah, I can open the course module again in case if you want. It is again, it's there in the official content, official VMware site. Yeah, let me walk you through so that you will have a clue like what would be discussed. So the course module involves like how many modules? Like 12 modules. Okay, first module is all about course introduction. Okay, it's all about like what is this course is all about, learning zones, edu sheets, all those stuff. Second one is introduction to VMware vSphere and software defined data center. So we are targeting 2 modules today, very basics and introduction to software defined data center. Fine, and then we'll progress to other modules as days progresses. We have 11 sessions on the whole, total 33 hours. Okay, and our last day of a session is on 5th October. Only weekday session. Weekend you will have assignments which you need to vigorously practice and come back. Yeah, right. So let me come back to this course modules PDF book. So let's walk you through this PDF book. Oh, sorry, lab manual. There is a lab manual also shared, I guess. Hope you have received. So this is the lab manual. So this lab manual is for if you want to set up your own. I mean, this lab manual is an official content from VMware where there will be a ready-made lab. But here I'm not giving a ready-made lab. You are building a lab. Each and everything you are building from the scratch. Okay, this lab manual is for additional reference. But I have my own things, my own documentation, my own server. We build from scratch, everything from scratch, right? And PDF book Mastering VMware vSphere 6.7 by Nick Marshall. Nick Marshall is a senior engineer, okay, who works closely with VMware, and he has created a page of around 831 pages. There is a more detailed PDF book, okay, and this one, if you are start studying now, this require at least 3 to 6 months to complete, okay. But I have created my own documentation which is very straightforward to understand with handwritten document. Let me show you this. This is one of my student who wrote this. This is handwritten document, okay. I'm giving you this also. So did you join, sir?
Here I am actually still not.
Are you able to hear? No, you can. So there will be a handwritten documents also be shared to you, right? Yeah, there is a each module there is a handwritten document. Additionally, I am writing notes for you, soft copy. So you will have all forms of access. Right. Now let's get started. I would be using slides, so you can have a look. Hope you all can view my screen. Let's confirm from Shivanand. Hope you can view my screen, Shivanand.
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Right. The first thing we're going to understand here is documentation. Okay, VMware has provided world's greatest documentation. I would say because I have seen like Oracle VirtualBox, Microsoft Hyper-V, Linux KVM, and Citrix Zen hypervisors. You don't see such a documentation. Okay. In fact, I have written KB documentations for VMware. I have written my own documentation also, and it is there in VMware. Can you see this? Which year?
2014.
How many years back?
6 years.
6 years back, I would have answered, or there are that time you can see I was trying like VMware vSphere 5.1 version. Okay, I have my own KBs, and when I was working with VMware, I have written KBs also. It is not published in India, I guess. It's there in US pages. This is which year? 2015. How many years back? 5 years back. So this is one. I have written a proper KB. It will give you information about issues, step-by-step procedures, everything. It is there in US pages. It's not getting published here in India. But when you log into any US machines, right, it is listed out there. Let's see if possible. No, it's not in Indian pages. I'll show you later. I'll build my cloud machine and I'll show you. Okay, so let's see the documentation again. Let's come back. Documentations for vSphere. Let me click on the first link. Let's see where it redirects. So this one is all about publishings. Like here I can bring VMware pub. Can you see versions here? Yeah, I'll give you the link in chat. I want all of you to open now. So I'll put it in chat. You all can open now. Can you all see the chat which I just shared now? Open your chat. Or you can search. You connected to Wi-Fi, sir? That Wi-Fi. Mobile data. Okay. Can you just search like VMware documentation? Before understanding any technology, we need to know what special they have. That is what we are briefing now. Still, I have not started the course. I'm just walking you around VMware. Are you able to view? So let's take, I have the latest version on VMware version is 7. This released like close to 3 months back. Very recently they have released, but still industry is using 6. series. Okay, so here you can see each and every version there is a more detailed documentation. Can you see this? If anything you want to search, let's take, you want to search about snapshot, you can come to this page and you can search like this here, snapshot. Can you see? Delete a snapshot from vSphere client. Go to snapshot. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about documentation section that I have shared. Next one is blog. VMware vSphere blog. You know what I mean by blog, right? A blog is a small piece of information where they will brief about current occurrence. Example, I can create a blogging on what is trending in India. I can create a blog on technical issues. I can create a blog on future technology, where you will not see a more detailed information, but very small, short information. So similarly, VMware has got blogs. Next one is called VMware communities. See, any software, example Linux, Windows, VMware, cloud, there are communities, means users. Users would be sharing their questions. Users would be using it can be two things. One is a person who can ask a question. Other one is a person who can give answer to a question. Okay, here in VMware, we have something called VMware communities where they have at least, like I would say, like 50 lakh plus users, and these users are awarded with some awards. Example, they may get a t-shirt, they'll get a ticket to attend the VMworld function. Okay, in VMware there is something called VMworld. Once in a year they'll like a Comic Con or some kind of an event, right? So they'll arrange an event where all business partners, customers are invited. Okay, then you will get an opportunity to travel. This usually happens in three different continents, like one is in Europe, one is in US, other one is in Asia. Okay, so you will get a ticket to travel. Next one is VMware support. VMware support is nothing but you take any product, there will be a support. Example, Dell laptop, there is a support team who support Dell products. Similarly, VMware is a software company. Okay, you will have a support team who works on it. I have my own support page. Okay, because I too hold a few, I too holds a few VMware application. I have a support page. Next one is VMware education. This will give the information about what are the course offerings from VMware. This is very important page. I want you to have a look now. VMware education, especially soon after this training, I want you to take one certification that is called VMware vSphere 6.7 associate level certification. So here you have, can you see this? Professional and administrators, you will have VMware vSphere 6.7. Similarly, there are some associate programs. VMware VCA 6.7. Foundational programs. Can you see this? Associate certification. Can you see this? Yeah, there is a VCA certification which you can try. VMware VCA DBT. Here you have different DBT. One is on data center virtualization. Can you see this? I want you to try this track. And then the second level is you will have professional level certification. Then you have advanced VCPs here, and then you will have VCAP. Can you see this advanced? Yes. And the next one is last one is design expert, VCDX. Okay, so this is a certification track. I just share this link so you can download that PDF file and keep it handy. Can you download that PDF? I just shared a link to you. Just download and keep it. That would be a career map, like in case if you are planning for a longer career in VMware, then you can do certification one by one. VCA is a $100 exam. Okay, sometime during December you may get some discount, like you may you may complete this exam by $75 also. Okay, or if you attend any VMware events, right, you should closely watch VMware websites. Sometimes they'll give for free. I can go and take that certification. Okay. This is all about VMware online resources, certification pages and other stuff. This is good to know information. VCP Foundation, like this how the the certification would look like. Okay, and I have done at least 6 to 7 certification in VMware, and once you complete your certification, this is how it will look like. VMware VCP login. I'll show you, like, since I have a certification, I can show you. This is my login page, and where I'll get my own transcripts. This is created when I was working with VMware. Transcripts. They've changed everything now. Okay, I can show you my profile, like what all certifications I hold. So certifications. So here you can see VMware certified data center for 6.5 and VMware certified professional cloud management and automation, VMware certified network virtualization professional VCP 6.0, and I have some old versions. I have version till 5.1. I am 5.1 certified. 5.1, 5.5, then 6.0, 6.5 till 6.5. I have all the certifications. Right. Yeah. Okay. So let's understand this. See, to understand VMware, you need to know basics of hardware and operating system. Okay, and Subhash is aware of this, and also we have Shivanand is on the bridge. He is also aware of it. But you two people, like you are just started like data center, and you are yet to start, right? So for you, this is very important to understand the basics of hardware. Already I gave you some models to you, right? Did you get a time to write down?
Yes.
You did you go through this PDF documentation and all?
Yes.
Yes. So now let me enable my cam. Hope you can view my video, right?
Yes,
You are able to view my video.
Help me out this. I'm getting this much.
Just get your laptop, sir. I'll fix it. Get your laptop.
I never installed it.
Just get your laptop. I'll fix it here.
I already have login number.
No problem. No problem. I'll help you. I'll help you. Absolutely. Absolutely no. No problem. So can you come here, sir? Can you open that mail which I have sent?
Mail actually I didn't find any link. That's the problem. I think there's something like your
Hotmail I have sent.
Yes, yes.
Here, Hotmail BG. Click on that.
Okay.
This one you have received. You didn't receive other email, huh?
Other mail was spam actually.
No, from the same ID, Hotmail BG.
No.
This is the only email you
This is the
received.
only email.
Okay. Okay.
Can send it, I can just.
Yeah, I'll send it now. Temporarily, I'm just pausing this recording since I got to fix an account here.